I love getting pencils that have a really rich dark. I can get a rich dark. You can see in this the head of this bird that I can go really deep because the reason like to get a pencil that's really soft, basically it's like a 8B or 9B, is that I can get a broad sort of a broad range of values. As you can see, I can go all the way light and I can really get it nice and rich. I'm not sure how well it shows up on the camera, but where I need to get those rich darks, I can really dive in.